Hello everyone, we are here at the DR Horton Freeport model. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,387 square foot. So let's go ahead and take you inside. Upon entry, you can see these gorgeous vinyl floors. And immediately to the left, we'll take you into our first bedroom.
Garage door open.
Next, we'll come into our shared bathroom between bedrooms 1 and 3. And as you can see, reactive lighting is offered throughout the house. Next, coming into bedroom number 2, just right across the way. Nice carpeted floors throughout all bedrooms. And each bedroom offers a nice, spacious closet. Coming to our right now, we are led into our 3rd bedroom. Again, nice size, and of course, personal closet in each. Now, right to my right here, we do have the laundry hookups, where you will find washer and dryer space. And now for the best part, in my opinion, we've got this gorgeous kitchen to living area. As you can see, all vinyl flooring, and these windows make for some gorgeous lighting throughout. A very large island, good for hosting, as well as all new stainless steel appliances. As you can see, that is a built-in microwave. You'll have your stainless steel refrigerator, freezer, a pantry. And working our way through, we come to the master bedroom. Much larger bedroom, of course. Again, shifting back to the carpeted flooring. And here, we've got a nice double vanity bathroom, as well as a big walk-in closet. Lots of space here. And taking you back through, we'll now check out the back patio. And of course, you have a nice patio, and hopefully one day, a beautiful fenced-in yard for you and your family to enjoy. Again, this is the DR Horton Freeport model. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,387 square feet.